Hey everyone. Hey, how's it going today? This is cryptoFOXXY. Happy FOMC day, I guess it is today. So in the United States today, we've had the FOMC meeting and decision on interest rates. We're going to get into that in this video. We're also going to have a look and see what Bitcoin's first reaction is and where it's sitting at right now. Before we do so, please smash the like button on this video and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency news and information and all that good stuff. I make videos every day and I love looking at and covering cryptocurrency. And this is my journey, and I'm passing on the information that I find onto you guys. Hopefully, it helps you along the way. But let's get into it here. So let's have a look. Let's do this one. All right. That is good. I just don't want to cover up the writing here. So the Fed have released the highly anticipated interest rate decision, and here's Bitcoin's first reaction at that. So this is Jerome Powell. Great follow. Greatest hair ever. According to the last minute development, the Fed left interest rates consistent, which means they paused. Again, they're not changing. The expectation was that the interest rates would be kept consistent. Following the interest rate decision, Bitcoin price reacted as follows. So we see here a bit of a dip, a bit of a big jump, and pull back definitely. So the tightening trend is gone, but it's done in a way that suggests a rate cut isn't necessarily imminent. The following statement was included in their in text. The committee does not consider it appropriate to cut rates until we gain greater confidence that inflation is substantially moving towards their 2% goal. So in December, the Fed had stated that it expected three interest rate cuts in 2024. Some Wall Street economists predict that the institution may cut as many as five interest rates throughout the year. So the economy remains strong in the US, and there's evidence that the labor market is weakening, which the Fed will enjoy that. Wednesday, the US Labor Department announced that workers' wages and benefits rose at the slowest pace in 2.5 years in the fourth quarter. So, Oxford economics analysts said in a research report that this was news that will be welcomed by the Fed, which wraps up its 2 day Federal Open Market Committee meeting today, the FOMC meeting. So what does that mean? So in order to get interest under control, so what they do is the Fed likes to look at jobs, and that's why the jobs reports is so important because they want to see that jobs are dwindling. They're not being as many out there because basically what that does is makes money more scarce, lowers inflation, and all that good stuff. So that's what they like to look for. They like to almost cause layoffs and stuff like that in order to get inflation under control. So the first inflation report of 2024 in the US will be published February 13th, when data in January prices will be released by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. So that was Bitcoin's first reaction. So Powell spoke about, almost an hour ago now. We're going to have a look at Bitcoin right now, sitting at 42.9. Still not too bad. I mean, we're still up there pretty good. Um, might take a minute to, yeah. So it is still down though from it was over 43 and a half earlier today, and now it has gone down considerably. But in the overall, I mean, we got to zoom out too, right? I mean, Bitcoin's not doing too bad. Let's go have a look at the overall market. Is sitting at, oh, it went up another percent, so it's sitting at a 7.78% decrease today, at 1.55 trillion for the overall cryptocurrency market. So this is going to be something that's going to take a little bit of time to digest. I never trade on FOMC days just for this reason because it's as easy as you can almost predict what the Fed's going to do. However, you can't predict what Powell's going to say, and that man has the power to move the market. In just his speech alone. If he sounds a little bit more hawkish, which is negative than usual, people are going to start selling off. And, sometimes his speeches can be a little bit of both. And there's a lot of volatility on this day. So I tend to not really look at making any trades on FOMC days. I like to kind of maybe wait and see, after it dies down and digests, and then I'll make some plays. But it's just way too risky and way too almost gambling to do anything today. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. We're going to keep tabs on this for you guys. Obviously, I'll come back with an update and let you guys know what is going on, what we're looking at. So we still have some other things to digest as well in the overall market, financial space. So we'll see what happens. That's what I got for you in this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.